That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful pair of wheels here. We've got some amazing billet CNC wheels. These are actually made in the Far East, but if you control the factory, you can have good quality. Okay. These wheels fit a Harley Davidson Softail, could also fit a Dyna wide glide, or the front wheel. The rear won't, because the offset's different. You would have to modify these, okay, but that's not a problem. We can do that. I can also fit narrow glide hubs. So if you want twin disc, or if you want narrow glide, you know, you got like a Sportster or something, as long as that will fit between your forks, the tires are 120, 130, 110, it will work. Okay, the rear 16x3.5 is pretty standard on most of them. Don't be tempted to fit a 5.5 if your bike originally had a 3.5, because the hub will be too wide. If you want to check this is to clear the pulley, okay, and the brakes. Therefore, you know, with this particular wheel, you do need enough space to clear everything and the frame. Otherwise, it's just going to basically hit the frame, or the pulley will, or the brake disc won't line up. So you do need proper wheels. These wheels are Softail. The front one will fit an FX DWG Dyna, because that's basically got a Softail front end anyway. The rear, if you want to fit on a Dyna, we'll have to modify it. You know, the hubs will need a bit off one, well, a bit off both actually on a Dyna, but also available for baggers. This will fit a bagger, and then we can fit your twin disc hub on this as well to make it into a twin disc. But cracking wheels also available in contrast cut. This particular wheel, I forget the name, Virtue I think it is, something like that, but cracking wheels. Now if you want to have a look in here, you'll see the other wheels. Okay, this here is a fat spoke chrome and black. A poison wheel, which is basically billet CNC again. That's only polished, but you see the shine, that looks like chrome. It isn't. That's just our mega polish, the LU. Okay, another wheel here, another one here, and you can see here shock upgrades. You want to fancy really tricking your bike out, this is a Softail 250 280 kit. Okay, billet solid swinging arm, wide glide triple tree kit. Okay, if you want to fit wide glide on your Sportster or your other bike, so you can fit that wheel. Then we've got lots of wheels up here. These again are performance machine, matching pulleys, contrast cut and chrome. Okay, personally I do prefer the billet without any chrome on, because there's nothing to come off. Okay, these are all your fancy little bits, all your brake upgrades, your grips, your big cases. 140 cubic inch Sportster, believe it or not. And you can see here, these are all Kuriakin. Now we've got a lot of Kuriakin stuff on clearance. We've even got Healy bars, or heli bars as they're called here. Okay, we've got QD passenger armrests for trikes and glides. We've got tweeter pods. We've got, this is like a bag that basically you can take on an aircraft. So say you go to bike week, you can put your luggage in this as hand luggage and actually use it on the bike too. Tweeter pods, again, awesome bits of kit. Lots of seats, you know, we've got around about 40-50 seats. Corbin, Mustang, helmets from pretty well everyone. Tuzos, the cheap brand, you're looking at 39 quid for a fully legal helmet, ideal for a beginner. Biltwells, Simpson, we've got Bell, Simpson, some custom painted ones.